In this video, we will show you how to replace your intake air temp sensor on this Ford Fusion. This will be mounted to your air filter housing. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Locate the intake air temp sensor directly on the upper air filter housing. Start by disconnecting the sensor. You'll find that it has a locking tab on the inboard side where my index finger is. I'm squeezing it in and disconnecting it. A quick inspection for corrosion and we'll set the wiring harness aside. Continue on to the air temp sensor. To remove this, it's going to be very easy. Take hold of it, turn it counterclockwise, and pull it straight out and away. There it is, friend. Before you install your air temp sensor, clean and inspect the area. Okay friend, let's get ready for installation. When we go to install this, we want to have it in the counterclockwise position and turn it clockwise to the fully locked position. You remember the locking tab was facing straight towards the engine, so we're going to have it essentially facing almost straight down when we go to push this into the housing. Turn that clockwise till it wants to stop, a light tug to make sure it's properly secured. Continue on with your wiring harness, press it in and listen for a click. One more quick wiggle to make sure everything's properly secured together. Okay friend, we finished the installation. At this point, go ahead and start up the vehicle, let it run for a short while, make sure you have no check engine light, no running condition, close the hood and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.